Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on landscaping costs with Lowe's beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit your local Lowe's store or their website to start your landscaping journey. Begin by assessing your yard and determining what areas require landscaping. Make a list of the plants, materials, and tools you may need. Utilize Lowe's website for inspiration by browsing landscaping ideas. Check for weekly promotions and sales on outdoor items to save money. Consider buying seasonal plants that are on clearance. Explore Lowe's in-house brands, which often offer quality at a lower price. Take advantage of their bulk purchasing options when buying soil, mulch, or stone. Ask a store associate for advice on the best plants suitable for your climate and soil. Look for any available discounts on garden supplies or tools for first-time buyers. Consider renting larger tools from Lowe's instead of purchasing them outright. Investigate Lowe's seasonal workshops where you can learn more about landscaping. Join Lowe's mailing list for future discounts and gardening tips. Plan your landscaping project in stages to spread out costs over time. Use DIY resources available on Lowe's website to guide your landscaping efforts. Take measurements carefully to avoid overbuying materials. Prepare the soil before planting by using Lowe's affordable compost options. Implement a design that uses native plants, as they often require less maintenance. Maintain your landscaping with proper care to avoid costly replacements. Keep an eye out for rebates or special financing options available through Lowe's. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your landscaping costs while enjoying the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.